Hi, this is another little quick fix video on noisy back gears or noisy derailleur. So what can happen is, you hear that noise? It's a clicking noise. And that's from this is the rear cassette or gears. This is the derailleur. And what happens is, if you can see, this derailleur is just slightly to the right of the cogs, and so it kind of needs to, trying to get this right, it needs to move just a little bit that way to line up perfectly with that gear. And so how we fix that is very simple. This little nut here is called a barrel adjuster, and just move it one way or another, and what it does is it's a screw, and it lengthens or shortens the cable here, which actually moves the derailleur. So in this case, I just think I need to tighten it up a little bit, which is actually going this way, and you might actually see this move out a little bit, and voila, no more noise. And you might be able to see it's lined up much better now. That's it. So if it's making noise back here, just fiddle with this a little bit, turn it one way, turn it the other way, and see if the noise goes away. That's it. Bye.